Hey visibility hackers, in this video we're talking about social marketing basics, so let's get started. We are in the midst of a marketing revolution. Marketing is changing and it's a super exciting time to be in business. Hey, I'm Coach Molle from the Visibility Hacking Studios. We help small businesses, visionary entrepreneurs, coaches, and leaders change their visibility, turn it up to 11, start attracting their ideal customers, and bottom line, start making more money. And if you want to know more about how to achieve those kinds of successes with your small business using social marketing, you're going to want to stay tuned to this video. We're going to talk about the basics of social marketing that you need to know to get started. We'll also talk about social marketing influences in 4 different ways. And we'll compare conventional marketing with social marketing using 4 different examples. As I always say, for this and more, stay tuned, roll that intro. First things first, we have to talk about what social marketing actually means. So social means impacting behavior. Social marketing, therefore, are actions and behaviors that are influenced by our social campaigns, by our marketing campaigns. This is a really exciting field to look into. And if you know me, I love thinking about psychology, what is actually happening in our brains, and how that connects to our marketing endeavors, because we can use these tools for good or we can, of course, use them for bad. And we've all seen how we have bro marketers and we have all the rug pullers in the NFT world. We see a lot of people who are using social marketing techniques for bad reasons. So let's harness these tools for good, shall we? Social marketing can be everything from a campaign that focuses on social justice and having everyone come together behind a common cause that is much bigger than the product or offer at hand. Social marketing can also be like social media marketing, where we're having conversations and we're focusing on one-to-one relationships between brand and consumer. This is another example of social marketing. So it's a pretty big umbrella and there's a lot to learn underneath it. But if you understand at the fundamental level that social marketing means we are intentionally impacting and influencing behaviors of our consumers, then you're going to be on the right track. So let's start out by showing me, if you like this video and you want to know more about building your social influence, you're going to want to A, hit the like button, and B, hit the subscribe button, because we've got a whole series on social marketing for you coming out this week. So definitely make sure you are first notified by making sure that you've hit the subscribe button and become a visibility hacker here on the channel. We'd love to see you around. Social marketing impacts our customers' behaviors in so many different ways that are really, really impactful to our businesses. They mean our brand gets in front of more eyeballs. Those eyeballs are more of the right fit kind of customers that we're looking for. And they start coming into our world because they are attracted to the brand that we are presenting. We're presenting our brand kind of like their best friend. We want our brands to be likable, trustable, fun, engaging, exciting, and trustworthy. And we do this by making sure that all of our brand messaging is in alignment. So let's talk about how social marketing can help your business. So there's 4 different ways we're going to highlight in this video. First is brand awareness. So as we continue to put out the right kinds of content on our social platforms and we start to engage around shared values and we start to show them that our product or our service or our offer is the ideal solution for them, we start to build our brand's awareness in that customer's eyes. We go from being unknown to known to what we like in visibility hacking world is to be called on. Not only is our ideal customer able to recognize our brand, but our brand values and our brand solution is now positioned as the go-to solution for that customer. And it all starts by creating the right kinds of conversations and creating the right connections with your customers. Second thing that social marketing can influence is purchase decision. This is huge. If we want to run businesses that actually make money and aren't just expensive hobbies, we have to make sure that we're actually getting sales, that we're getting customers who are willing to pay. And that means we have to influence purchasing decisions. We need to convert those casual viewers into paying clients. And this happens when you have the right kind of content. Third, customer loyalty. This means repeat customers, customers who become brand ambassadors, who go out and share your solution with their audiences. These are audiences that you don't have to pay for. Brand ambassadors and loyal customers will be able to throw your brand in front of way more people. This really happens. I know that this is true because I just found someone to fix my back deck from an incredible testimonial and referral that I saw posted on a social platform. It was completely unsolicited. This person simply wanted to share how awesome their experience was working with this particular tradesperson. And so they posted about it. And from then, I knew that was exactly the person who I needed to solve my problem. Then I hired them. It's that simple, and it can happen with your business as well. So start creating the right kinds of content on your social platforms to really start drawing in those customers, to really create that brand loyalty as well. And fourth and final, going off of that, is also brand advocacy. People will stand up for your brand, and you're able to stand up for your brand in a way that highlights how it is different than what else is out there. Advocate for your brand. Show your brand as the solution for things. So if you have the most amazing, dish towel in the world, show how great your dish towel is in so many different variety of circumstances. This is what's great about social marketing. We're able to really highlight our product or our service or our solution in the eyes and hands of our ideal customers. We can create content where our customers look at it and say, I see myself in that. So start with those four and let me know down in the comments if you have any other ways that you think social marketing helps to boost brand visibility. Let us know down in the comments. Now let's look at conventional marketing compared to social marketing, and we'll look at 4 different areas of the marketing cycle that are different between the two. First, let's talk about products. When it comes to conventional marketing, we're always selling a product. Doesn't necessarily mean it's a physical good, but the way that we are stepping into the perspective of marketing is solely based around selling you this thing that I have. Whether it's a vacation if you're a travel agent, whether it's a pen if you sell stationery, it's an actual product that you're focusing on. On the other hand, if you're looking at social marketing, instead of selling me the vacation, you're going to sell me the lifestyle. You're going to sell me a behavior. This is so much bigger because we can then sell associated products, which is one thing, but we can also sell something so much bigger to so many more people. We are not just focused on this specific product compared to other products that are competitor products. We're now talking about a lifestyle unto itself, and we can define that in very different ways. Now, second area we'll look at is the area of motivation. What actually motivates these marketing campaigns? So in the conventional sense, it's usually the organization wants more money. That's why they want to sell more products, because they need to raise their revenue, for example. That is the old way of thinking. The new way of thinking is to lean into that behavior change, to say that it's the mindset of saying that this behavior change is actually going to lead to a greater social good. The world will be a better place because of this behavior change, which happens to be facilitated by our product. See the difference there? The third area we're going to look at is actually kind of interesting, and this is where we're looking at the competition. So we're looking at the perspective of the marketing campaign, in that in the conventional sense, the competition was the other products or services who are in direct competition of you. Whereas in social marketing campaigns, we're not looking at other competitors in the marketplace. Instead, we're shifting the perspective of where the change is coming from and where we're drawing the line. Instead of between us and our competitors, that line is now drawn between our old way of doing things, our old behaviors and mindsets, and our new behaviors and mindsets. We're saying to our customers, basically, the reason you haven't succeeded in the past is because you've been looking in the wrong direction. Hello, here's my product, service, or offer, and this is the direction you need to be going. We're countering the individual beliefs of our prospective clients. Now let's talk about drivers, or why we do what we do. So in a conventional sense, we're looking at the creation of products to exchange. The kinds of things that people want or need. This is the basic market analysis that we would do to make sure that our product or service or offer is a correct market fit. That's the conventional way of doing things. On the other hand, with social marketing, we take a very different approach. What we're doing is, again, leaning on that behavior change, leaning on that social change. What we're doing is trying to convince our potential client or customer that their current behavior is bad, unhealthy, or not putting them in the right direction, and that we're inviting them to take on the challenge of changing that behavior or that mindset or that perspective and doing something different. It might be something they didn't actually want to do, so we have to have a little bit of a different process in order to get them to a point where they are mentally okay taking that difficult step. No one likes to go from a place that is comfortable to a place that's uncomfortable. But if you show them that that little bit of discomfort will ultimately put them in a better place overall, then you're going to motivate that change in behavior. Now, I know if you are still watching this video, you are 100% motivated to take your brand's awareness to the next level. So I invite you to check the links down below and join us with our small business marketing worksheet. It will help you figure out so much more about the way that you're going to go out there and connect and contact your ideal customers, to bring them into your business, to nurture them into your paying fans. And I know it's worked for us. It's worked for our clients. We've been able to secure over $100 million in brand funding simply because we thought the plan out. So we had the roadmap in front of us, and it'll work for your business as well. So check the links down below. In the meantime, check out visibilityhacking.com. Click the link at the top of the page, become an official visibility hacker, and we'll see you over there. Until I see you again, my friends, remember, I love you, be excellent to each other, and just go live, because your people are out there waiting for you.